Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to rotate any video in CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your video. Now press on your video and search for transform. Click on this. Now here you can see the option of rotate. By clicking this, you can rotate your video. That's it. So this is how to rotate video in your CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.